Hello student. Today we are going to start the new topic is dew point and humidity. Then last lecture we have discussed the topic anomalous behavior of water. What is meant by anomalous behavior of water? Water is in the state of liquid. So liquid have and properties. Any liquid have the properties. Then temperature is rises and temperature will be decreases. Temperature will be rises, then liquid is expansion property, and liquid goes temperature decreases, and the properties of liquid is uh, contraction. But water is one of the liquid, and it is the exceptional case of water is liquid. The temperature, the behavior of water between the temperature 0 degree to 4 degree, so water, the temperature will be decreases, the contraction instead of expansion, and this property of water, and it is called as anomalous behavior of water. This topic anomalous behavior of water are studied last lecture, and the study this anomalous behavior of water are checked. The name of one scientist, it is the Hobbes, and Hobbes are determined and measure the by anomalous behavior of water by with the help of one apparatus, and that apparatus it is called as the Hobbes apparatus. And this experiment are fully studied in last lecture. Now we are going to start the topic dew point and humidity. Also this topic related to water, also related to liquid water is heated, and then that time water can get heated, and that time that water in the state of vapor state, and that vapor state, and then that time in air a moistures are present, and that vapor and to form a moisture, and that moisture, and it is also called as that temperature moisture will be formed, it is called as the dew point temperature. And also humidity means water and at the atmospheric in our earth about the 71% of water are there, and the acquired surface of water is 71%, and then earth is covered with water, and due to constant water vapor is always present in the atmosphere. At that the temperature at which the water, they have water always, amount of heat is absorbed from the sunlight, and that time amount of heat is absorbed by water, and water goes into liquid state to vapor state, and all these vapor are found in atmosphere. So that time that air is humid, that air it is called as humid, and it is also called as moisture are present in air means. And then water vapor again cool, and they are converted into a small water droplet, it is also called as dew point. It is called as the dew point means all the phenomenon of dew point and humidity are related to atmospheric temperature means sudden temperature will be increases, or atmospheric air will be temperature is increases, so that time amount of water vapor are eliminated in air, and air get moist, and then that time, that night time, at the night time, so that time water vapor they can cool and then condense in again in the atmosphere, and to form a small water droplet, so it is called as the dew point. And hence all these topic are studied dew point and humidity. All these topic are related to water vapor, and unit volume of water vapor are condensed in a atmosphere, that temperature, and that temperature it is also called as the dew point temperature. Now the presence of water, now the presence of water vapor in air, the presence of water vapor in air makes it moist, and it moisture in atmosphere it is called as the humidity means in air a presence of water vapor, so it is called as moist air. And the moisture present in air, it is simple way humidity. आता ह्युमिडिटी आपण कशाला म्हणतो? व्हॉट इज मीन बाय ह्युमिडिटी? द अमाउंट ऑफ वॉटर वेपर present in air and air get moist, and the moisture present in air, it is called as the humidity. It is called as the humidity and humid air. Now next, suppose unsaturated air at a certain temperature and it is taken, and it is the temperature is decreased. A temperature is a reach at which the air becomes saturated with the vapor, and this temperature, it is called as the dew point temperature. Simple way, what is mean by dew point temperature? The temperature in surrounding air, so temperature will be increases, water vapor are condensed in unit volume in air, so that time temperature at reaches or decreases, so that time water vapor is convert into small dew droplets. It is called as the dew point temperature. Means that time the temperature will be decreases, the air will be unsaturated, and temperature will be increases, so that time amount of water vapor present in air and air get saturated. And what is mean by dew point temperature? Suppose unsaturated air at a certain temperature is taken, and the temperature is decreased, and temperature goes down, decrease. As temperature is raised at which the air become saturated, means present a moisture saturated and with vapor the temperature, and it is called as the dew point. An amount of vapors that time the temperature will be increases and the air gets saturated, and that temperature, it is called as the dew point of the temperature. Now what is meant by absolute humidity? What is meant by absolute humidity? Absolute humidity are useful for, on page number 67, the absolute humidity in dry air, the vapor contained in the air is measured by with the help of absolute humidity. Means amount of water vapor present in the air, it is called as the absolute humidity. And absolute humidity, the mass of vapor present in unit volume of air, it is called as the simple way absolute humidity. म्हणजे ह्या वॉटर वेपर जे असणार आहे त्यांना वॉटर वेपर म्हणजे त्याच्यामध्ये पण काय असणार आहे, वॉटरचे मॉलिक्यूल असणार आहे, फक्त ते लिक्विड स्टेट सोडून कोणत्या स्टेटला आले, इन द स्टेट ऑफ गॅसेस स्टेटला आले. आणि त्या गॅसेस स्टेटला आल्यामुळं त्याच्यामध्ये काय झालेलं, इन द गॅसेस स्टेट आल्यामुळं त्याच्या किती क्युबिक व्हॉल्यूम मध्ये त्या वेपर असणार आहे, आणि त्याचं मास हे कॅल्क्युलेट करतो त्याच युनिट ऑफ द व्हॉल्यूम, इट इज एअर, इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज द absolute humidity. आता absolute humidity म्हणजे काय, amount of mass of water vapor are present in a unit volume, it is called as the absolute humidity. And absolute humidity are generally humidity is measured in kg meter cube. आता वॉटर जर घेतलं आपण केजी मध्ये घेतलं, तर त्या मीटर क्युबिक म्हणजे त्या एरियामध्ये किती वॉटर वेपर कंडेन्स झालेल्या आहे ते काउंट करणे, म्हणजेच याला आपण काय म्हणतो, इन केजी मीटर क्यूब. म्हणजेच याचा अर्थ काय होतो का त्या व्हॉल्यूम एरियामध्ये किती वॉटर वेपर त्या टेम्परेचरला आलेल्या एअर मध्ये आहे ते काउंट करणं, म्हणजेच ऍब्सोल्यूट ह्युमिडिटी मेजर करणं. नाउ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, percent of relative humidity. आता what is mean by percent of relative humidity? The percent of relative humidity is equal to actual mass of water vapor contained in air in a given volume divided by the mass of vapor needed to make the air saturated in that volume multiplied by 100. म्हणजेच percent of relative humidity कशी काउंट करतो, ऍक्च्युअल मास वॉटर वेपर कुठे आल्या, एअर मध्ये आलेले आहे, आणि त्या वॉटर वेपर कंटेन एअर मध्ये असणार आहे, आणि त्या कशा असणार आहे, गिवन व्हॉल्यूम मध्ये, डिवाइडेड बाय मास ऑफ वेपर इज नीडेड टू मेक द एअर सॅच्युरेटेड इन दॅट व्हॉल्यूम. आणि मग त्या एअर मध्ये आलेल्या वॉटर वेपरला ज्यावेळेस त्याचं टेम्परेचर डिक्रीज होणार आणि ती एअर पूर्णपणे सॅच्युरेट होणार, दॅट व्हॉल्यूम मध्ये त्याचे सॅच्युरेशन होणार, multiplied by 100, so it is called as the percent relative humidity. The relative humidity at the dew point is 100% if the relative humidity is more than 60% and we feel the air is get humid. म्हणजे जर तुम्ही बघितलं, जर रिलेटिव्ह ह्युमिडिटी ऍट द ड्यू पॉइंट जर 100% असेल तर त्यावेळेस पर्सेंट ऑफ रिलेटिव्ह ह्युमिडिटी ही किती पर्सेंट असते, एअर मध्ये, ऍटमॉस्फिअर मध्ये 60%. आणि नक्कीच ते एअर आपल्याला कशी लागणार, ह्युमिड लागणार. कशी लागणार, ह्युमिड लागणार आहे. तसंच तुम्ही बघितलं विंटर, रेनी सीझन आणि समर सीझन, यामध्ये ह्या सीझन मध्ये आपल्याला ह्या ह्युमिडिटी कमी जास्त होताना दिसतात, कारण की सराउंडिंग टेम्परेचर इज नॉट कॉन्स्टंट इन 3 सीझन. winter also temperature goes down, rainy season also temperature minimum, and that time temperature will be maximum in summer season. So that time the water vapor, so that time the humidity also ups and down in that 3 season. So that time the 100% relative humidity at the dew point is 100%, that time relative humidity is 60% and we feel the air is humid. And if the relative humidity is less than 60%, we feel that air is dry. Simple way. That other that time 100% dew points are there, that time 60% humidity are there, relative humidity, we feel humid air. And that time less than 60% relative humidity, so that time air get, simple way, dry air. That air it is called as the dry air. Then now next topic is the unit of heat. The unit of heat. Now unit of heat means the unit heat is counted in joule and calorie. Joule and calorie. So substance, the water in kg, the unit of heat is joule, and water is in gram, so it is the unit of heat is calorie. Means amount of water vapor, the amount of water vapor, 1 kg of water, then water raise the temperature up by 1 degree Celsius, 14.5 to 15.5, so raise temperature 1 degree Celsius. So that time amount of heat energy is required to raise the temperature. So that time 1 kilocalorie heat is 1 kilocalorie heat. So that time calorie and 1 kilocalorie, the SI unit is, the heat is, the SI unit is joule, and in a CGS is the calorie. मग सिंपल वे SI युनिट हे केजीत जर वॉटर असेल तर ते जूल मध्ये काउंट करतात, आणि जर वॉटर हा ग्रॅम मध्ये घेतला तर तो कशात काउंट केला जातो, कॅलरी मध्ये काउंट केला जातो. आणि त्यामध्ये बघा, द 1 किलो कॅलरी हीट मीन्स द अमाउंट ऑफ हीट इज नेसेसरी, amount of heat is necessary to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water. 1 ग्रॅम वॉटरचं जर टेम्परेचर आपल्याला जर रेज करायचं असेल एका डिग्रीनं, बाय डिग्री सेल्सियस हाऊ मेनी, 1 डिग्री, सो दॅट टाइम फ्रॉम टेम्परेचर 14.5 टू 15.5 डिग्री सेल्सियस इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज द 1 कॅलरी हीट. म्हणजे 1 ग्रॅम सबस्टन्सचा, पाण्याचं, 1 ग्रॅम वॉटरचं टेम्परेचर 1 डिग्रीनं जर इन्क्रीज करायचं असेल तर अमाऊंट ऑफ इट इज नेसेसरी, आणि त्यावेळेस 14.5 टू 15.5 डिग्री सेल्सियस it is called as the 1 calorie heat. And what is meant by 1 kilocalorie heat? The amount of heat is raise the temperature necessary. The amount of temperature of water is 1 kg, and water by temperature increase by raise 1 degree Celsius and temperature from 14.5 to 15.5 degree Celsius, and it is called as a 1 kilocalorie heat. It is clear that 1 kilocalorie is equal to how many calories? 1000 कॅलरी आर देअर. सिंपल वे युनिट ऑफ हीट म्हणजे आपण सिंपल बघितलं, सर्व फिनॉमिनॉन, ड्यू पॉइंट, वॉटर वेपर, ह्युमिडिटी, दिस ऑल फिनॉमिनॉन आर रिलेटेड टू हीट, and amount of heat is gained by water, and water changes into state of vapor state, and that vapor again temperature decreases, so that time temperature will be decreases, air saturated and air get unsaturated. So that phenomenon can occur by with the help of heat. So we have to discuss here topic. Now first topic here discuss what is mean by humidity, what is mean by dew point, and what is mean by unit of heat are clear. Now today's we are going to start new topic, specific heat. What is mean by specific heat? Now start new lecture in new video.